Lenovo Go USB-C wireless charging kit is specially designed for remote professionals who are constantly up and about in their workspace, either in their home or office. It simplifies the setup experience by eliminating the need to connect and disconnect the power adapter cord. Operating on first-of-its-kind power-by-contact technology, the Lenovo Go USB-C wireless charging kit makes it possible to wirelessly charge most 13-inch to 14-inch non-touchscreen USB-C laptops up to 65 watts. Setup for the charging kit is easy. First, plug in your laptop's USB-C power to the wireless charging pad. Next, place the adjustable railing bracket to the bottom of your laptop using the adhesive strip. Make sure to line the bracket up horizontally with your USB-C charging port. Use a ruler if necessary so that the railing bracket is centrally positioned on the bottom in line with the USB-C charging port. Slide the USB-C adapter onto the railing and plug it into your USB-C charging port. Your laptop is now set up to use the charging pad. You simply need to place your laptop on the pad, making sure the adapter is making contact with the charging tiles on the pad. To learn more about the product specifications, go to support.lenovo.com/docs/Lenovo Go.